Hello, friends! Will the iconic jeepney as we know it now be eventually phased out?
Sige.
More than just a ride, the jeepney is a symbol of Filipino resilience and artistry. But what happens when a legend needs an upgrade? We're diving into the future of this beloved icon. We're visiting the Sarao Motors factory to look into the groundbreaking designs and innovative technology that are set to redefine this iconic cultural symbol, ensuring it thrives for generations to come. So, we are here at the Sarao Motors Jeepney factory to learn what the future of jeepneys may look like.
Kasi everything that makes the Jeep.
Collaboration ba sir?
Yeah, it's more of a partnership.
Tara na, let's go see their prototypes.
So ayun, in order to charge this electric vehicle, we have our friends from Supernova who installed this charger dito sa shop namin. So it's a first kasi as you can see, all of our jeepneys here are mostly diesel engines, gasoline. So ngayon, meron na tayong in-house charger for our EVs.
Let's hear from the man himself, the current managing director of Sarao Motors, LJ Sarao.
So, nung pumutok yung balita ng modernization ng 2016, pinadala kami ng DOTR ng sulat na kaya nyo ba gumawa ng modern unit na may ganitong dimension? So, binigay na yung mga requirements sa amin. At ito yung naging product nung iyong mga unang-unang prototype namin for modernization. Ito, fully electric din. Kapartner namin dito noon si Legider Philippines. Local company siya na nagko-convert ng mga vehicles into EVs. So, ito yung charging port niya. So, yun. Ito yung dinisplay dati sa transport show ng DOTR and marami kami na-receive ng mga comments. Una, kaya na pala gumawa ng Pilipino ng modern-looking na jeepney. And pangalawa, sabi nila, ay nagmukha na siyang bus. So, after nito, yung susunod na prototype namin na ginawa is yung ganon, yung sa tabi ng Hennessy. Ang sukat niya ay pang modern unit, pero yung itsura at yung mga design concepts nung mga traditional jeepney yung ginamit namin. So, ayun, ito yung mga prototype namin. Pero yun nga, yung mga ganitong body, pwede naman siya lagyan ng diesel, electric, or gas kung ano mang gusto ng customer. Kasi madali naman gawa ng mga mounting yan eh. Ang mahirap lang talaga is pag-procure kung anong makina yung gagamitin. This is one of our newest prototypes. It is a full electric jeepney. So we made this in partnership with Tembo. So they provided the powertrain and we built the body completely here in our Las Piñas factory. So this jeepney in particular is rated to go 330 kilometers in one full charge. It is 160 horsepower and 350 Newton meters of torque. So similar siya with the diesel engines, with the turbocharged diesel engines with a higher torque figure in order to carry more passengers. So yep, you can stand up inside. You know, we're used to diesel engine jeepneys, no? So this is no different. This can also be equipped with a diesel engine, but this in particular is powered by a 100 kilowatt motor from Tembo. So we're still yet to install air conditioning because we're still in the finishing phase of this vehicle. So hindi pa namin siya nare-release. And yeah, automatic transmission na. Everything is controlled by that dial. You can put it in park, reverse, and drive. Then majority of the switches for traction control. And then air conditioning. Then you have AM/FM radio with Bluetooth. Then you have a digital dashboard here to see all the specs like your battery level, the speed, the range. So yeah, it's a complete EV package already in the form of a jeepney. And as you can see, the interior, this is as required by the government na pwede nang may standing and may nakaupo. And as you can see with the leg room, kahit si sir naka-extend yung tuhod niya, hindi na magbabanggaan. And pwede na rin tumayo. There at the back, we have the, sige, ikot tayo. So here at the back, we have our emergency exit. Then meron din tayong pull-out ramp na lumalabas dito on top of the bumper in order to cater for our friends in wheelchairs. And of course, magkakaroon po tayo ng adjustable na bench dito which could be pulled up, then pwede natin i-tether yung wheelchair dito. So this is accessible for everyone. Everyone is welcome to ride this jeepney. Okay, so also, as you can see, it's already equipped with CCTV cameras, all located with a DV box there under the dashboard. So, pwede siya review in event na may unfortunate accident na nangyari or may mga incident na nangyari sa loob ng jeepney. Okay. Angat mo siya, then hihilahin mo yun. Tapos dadagdagan mo yan. Tapos sasabit mo siya dito sa taas. Medyo steep pa siya kasi supposedly hahabaan pa namin to. Okay. So, ang future plans ng Sarao is, to still continue building jeepneys eh. Kasi unang-una, marami pa rin umaasa sa jeep, mga commuters, yung mga operators na tinatangkilik pa rin yung mga jeepney natin. And of course, yung mga nagtatrabaho sa amin dito sa Sarao Motors. Kasi sa totoo lang, no, ang goal talaga namin is makatulong. Kasi yung mga nabibigay namin na trabaho dito, hindi naman kami mapili eh. Kumbaga, wala naman kaming HR na naghahanap ng educational background. Eh. Basta kung gusto mo kumita at gusto mo gumawa, tinatanggap po namin talaga dito. At in the future po, ang balak talaga namin is magpatuloy pa rin sa paggawa ng jeepney kasi naging part na ng culture natin yan dito sa Pilipinas eh. Kaya ito sa likod ko, isa to sa mga prototypes namin na full electric na talaga. At sinusubukan po namin na makipagsabayan sa mga teknolohiya ng ibang bansa. Pero of course, aaminin ko rin naman na hindi namin mapupull off yung kasing pulido ng mga international brands. Pero ang target po talaga namin is makapag-provide sa publiko ng quality na jeepney na hindi basta-basta masisira and of course yung pinapreserve yung kulturang Pilipino.
Imagine a cleaner, quieter, and more efficient commute. That's the future being designed and built right now. According to a study published by the Department of Transportation, or DOT-R, of the Philippines, there is no bigger topic in the urban daily life of the Philippines than traffic. Everyone who is living in or has visited Manila understands why. Long commuting times have reached unprecedented levels, and the traffic jams on EDSA are world-known. The historically fragmented public transport system is dependent on road-based vehicles, and it's dominated by on-street competing jeepneys, a semi-formal, inefficient system of ancient, backyard-customized former Army Jeeps. Hence, there is a big push to modernize the jeepney in step with a bold plan for a modern public transit system in Metro Manila. The Public Utility Vehicle Modernization Program, PUVMP, focuses mainly on public safety. It paves the way to an organized public transportation system in the Philippines. So, why is there a need for jeepney modernization? There is an opinion that most public utility vehicles, such as the jeepney, are not safe, and that they produce significant amounts of air pollution. Exhaust from poorly maintained vehicles is a health threat for the public, and there are minimal to zero safety features for the jeepney passengers. The jeepney modernization is part of a program to transition to a high-quality public transportation system in the Philippines. According to DOT-R, it is not anti-poor. If you loved this story, hit like and subscribe for more untold stories from the heart of the Philippines. Know someone with a story like this? Tell us in the comments. Let us know what you would like to see.